Here's Chuck. There's Chuck at night. There's Brother at night. Let's see here. I can switch to this one here if that helps out a little bit. There we go. I can see Truck. We got stuff in Truck.
Yeah. What is this?
Dash of Truck.
Good narrating.
Seats of Truck. Those aren't parts of Truck. Let's see if I can back up a little bit here. It's not liking me a whole lot here. Let me see. Make sure you... Sorry for the picture here.
Yeah.
And keep on going. I'm
There's
narrating.
a video. No.
Tires
Of Truck.
of Truck. Back of Truck. And side of Truck. Don't do that. Annoying brother with Truck. So this is video here. I'll send it to you. You can kind of show me what you want. You ask me what you want to have.
We just do this in the morning.
Dodge Truck right there.
Eric,
Alrighty. Here we go. See ya.